Helsinki was also in Finland. It was these three versions that were going, and as far as we know, this has been modernized in 1965 or 67.
Yeah, probably, but it's just electrical large, not elevator, but properly.
Yeah,
or not? Oh, that's true. Yes. It was earlier, yeah.
What? Okay. Still very interesting, but did it replace an older one?
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah, probably.
But when was it built originally?
I don't
year,
know.
did you see it?
No.
Okay. Symbolization 943. We have to check the year of construction originally. It will be inspected this year, 2023, and this has two rights.
Inspected by Vice and maintained by Kone.
The ZKC was modernized in 2001 for some reason.
Yeah.
Maybe ZKC was replaced in 1961 was by this one.
Yeah.
Because, well, okay, we don't know. Maybe it could be 65 or 67 there, but we'll see it later.
Yeah.
I don't know if that information is correct.
Mm.
But we'll see it later.
Yeah.
And I hope that the 2001 it was not like something bad.
Yeah.
We could Kone or Evergreen. Like not something Finland generic or something. Or like Sodimas.
Mm.
So that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's